Now again, this vehicle, Bang & Olufsen speakers, just absolutely awesome. So to play music, we go into your tunes like so. I'll turn this down, we'll click play, but what you need to see at the bottom there, just to make sure, there's a tick next to Audi MMI 7793, which is this system, and not next to iPhone. So anything that plays on this system, be it Spotify, the soundtrack from a YouTube video, whatever's playing on your phone will play through the system if you have it set right. So we'll go back to the actual record. It's playing. We go over to the controls here. You've got media, you click media. Now that's loading media mode, right? But it's already on here. But for instance, if it's not bound to be. You could have been using another function, but you see their source in the top corner, which corresponds to that top right button there. So there, it could be on jukebox. So again, you're playing over here, you click play, it's not coming out of the speakers at the moment, it won't do because it's turned down, but we go to source. So click on source, then find your phone, click on phone, like so. We'll wait till it shows on there. So we'll turn this up. Brilliant sound system. It is fantastic, honestly. Anyway, there you go. Bang & Olufsen speakers, and that's how you play music.